month of. Hey guys, welcome to Fresh Educate. In this video you're going to see the latest update in Canva 2021 for the month of April. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press that bell icon to get videos like this. Let's get into the video. The first thing, you can able to create a meme using Canva. Create a blank meme. We will provide the links in the description. You can able to get through that memes and other pages which is showing in this videos. And then you go to this create a blank meme. You go to this page where you can see the templates available to create meme from here. Let's go scroll through and see what are the memes available. Some are pro version and some for free version. Like, see, if you see in this picture, it says remove watermark. It can be used only in pro version. In that case, you can able to remove this image and upload a image from unsplash.com or pexel.com, and you can able to create a new meme from this text, which is you in this you will can edit the text from here. The only the picture is in watermark, so you can delete it, and you can get from the images which you like to present and produce meme for your followers and social media. You can able to share through this option. From go to these three dots and go and share to Instagram, Facebook, and other social media from here. From creating a meme from Canva 2021. The next thing is doing presentation. We have already provided you a video on doing presentation using Canva. If you're not seen that video yet, we will provide it on description or provide it on the card above. Then if you go and present a video, you now can engage through your audience. Like, go to the present and see that present button. If you press this you can able to see bubble now. And then if you go for Q, quite icon is available here. Next thing, if you go for D, drums will be available. Likewise, you can able to engage with your audience. Likewise, if you go for C, it go for celebration. Like you can able to explore through shortcuts from Canva during presentation. If you go for 1, it will show the timer. 2 for 2 minutes, 3 for 1 to 9, you can able to get the timer from Canva presentation. Likewise, if you go for blur B, it will make blur option. Then if you click the B, it will go for. Likewise, you can able to make shortcuts and make engage through your presentation from Canva 2021. You can also able to do presentation, and you can make presentation and go and do they click this 3 icon. Now you can able to see that PowerPoint also can be like shared through website or Microsoft PowerPoint. Also you can able to download from this Canva option. Likewise, the next thing which you can able to create multi-page Instagram post using Canva. Like, if you like to go with the colors, if you can able to explore through the color option here. If you see here, you can see free and pro versions are available for your creativity purpose. You can get through this multi-page Instagram post and update your content, like after or before post, and scroll through like Instagram post. You can able to see, let's discuss, and what are the creative content. If you can able to do, you can be able to do from this multi-page Instagram post. Likewise, you can able to create new memes and presentation in a engaging manner, and create a multi-page Instagram post from Canva 2021 latest update in April month. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get videos like this. And thanks